helping you solve your keyboard problem. That's when your keyboard press itself automatically without you initiating any sort of press. So normally this problem happens when you fail to update your Windows, or sometimes if you have a keyword problem, but that doesn't happen most of the times. Mostly this problem happens when you fail to update your Windows, or your Windows or your drivers. So I'm going to help you fix this kind of problem. So to do this, let's hop on our device manager. So now let's enter device manager here. Now let's move to device manager. So on our device manager here, we move to keyboards here. So let's double tap it and then let's select the standard keyboard here. So here, to solve the problem, you see they will be telling you your device is working properly, something like that. And even for you to do something like this, you're going to find it difficult, but then you just kind of, let's say you have been able to make it through this procedure and you are here. So now you move to driver, and then what you do next is you update your driver. Good. So you search for automatic update, and they are saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, something like that. So if there is any update you have to make or you have to download, they are going to initiate the download for you. And sometimes, in most cases, they'll redirect you to here, your Windows update here. They'll redirect you here, something like this, and then they'll tell you to download all these updates available. After downloading these updates, you'll be asked to restart your PC or your laptop. So after restarting it, your problem will be fixed. If you are still facing this kind of problem after doing this, then there will be a problem with your keyboard. Either some of them, there is some dirt inside, you need to go to a repeller for them to remove it for you, or you change your keyboard. So that's it for solving automatic press of keyboard on your PC or laptop. So if you are new here, kindly do to like and then subscribe to my channel.